Are you overwhelmed by complicated email marketing tools? You're not alone. 1 million marketers seek easy-to-use tools. With MailerLite, effortlessly design branded emails and landing pages that convert. Tired of surprise bills? Our fair pricing is transparent and affordable. Need a hand? Get expert support to elevate your email game. Create delightful, non-intrusive pop-ups, and use our advanced landing page builder, all in one place. Your creativity shines with our customizable templates and over 70 content blocks. Experience unlimited automation workflows. Build once, reap rewards forever. Start your free 14-day trial today and unlock premium features, no credit card needed. Take action now and transform your email marketing journey.